bio. All about the organelles. Let's go.
Mr. Markram, I was reading my textbook and I happened to realize that it said that all cells are made of organelles. Could you elaborate?
Well, sure. I would love to talk all about organelles with you. However, there are many different organelles to talk about. There are organelles that make proteins, organelles that move the cell or make energy, and organelles that are responsible for moving things in and out of the membrane. What kind would you like to learn about first?
I read something about protein synthesis. Could you talk a little about that, please?
But of course.
I bet you're curious what happens in the nucleus. DNA gets transcribed, ribosomes no longer hide inside the nucleolus where they're made. The dense core of chromatin inside the nucleoplasm, bound with a double membrane bilayer. mRNA moves up the pores like pets could run out open doors. Outside the nucleus we have reticulum. You'll need to know this cause it's on our curriculum. Ribosomes stud the rough ER, littering the membrane like the sky and its stars. Ribosomes make amino acids.
Yeah!
The ER never stops the beat here, never drops. ER's rough, and it's smooth. And this rap will make you move. There are polypeptide chains that are in the ER. They're folded into proteins and then they travel far through the cytoplasm and to the Golgi body. Finally arrive and then they get to party. At the party, they're packaged and labeled. They whip in their vesicle and this enabled proteins to be transferred, and it's crucial that it's heard. It sounds so complex, it sounds so absurd. The super special package shipped from the nucleus, and now the protein's ready for exocytosis. Now we're making proteins like we make money. Are you sure you understand all of this, honey?
Oh wow, that was incredible. But could you maybe teach me a little bit more about cellular transport?
Well, sure.
Cell membranes keeping it together. Nothing's tearing it apart, even under bad weather. Yeah, that's right, I'm a phospholipid bilayer. Don't underestimate me cause I'm a player. The cell membrane, you know what I'm protecting. Organelles from viruses. Here I come, I'm breaking it now. I'm a lysosome and I'm hunting you down. No viruses get by me. I'm keeping the cell wicka healthy. In the cell, I'm like the estomago, breaking things down like a bunch of Lego. I'm a vesicle and I'm moving like a train, bringing neurotransmitters out of my brain. I keep things flowing when there's places to be going. Basically just a membrane-bound sack. Get loaded proteins, then I roll back to a motor protein that shits me out the cell on my way to experience a smell. I'm the cell wall, I'm like the swap force. You think you're strong, but you ain't breaking down my door. I'm the toughest of them all, and you can't get by me. You wanna play tough? Well then just try me. I'm blocking your path, I'm making mad raps, yelling, you shall not pass.
Wow! I never realized so many things were moving into and out of cells all the time. But how does the cell itself move?
Welcome to the centrosome, you're gonna be shown where all the microtubules gonna be grown. Cellular division, there won't be a collision. Organized and synchronized like they're in prison. 9 groups of triplets, this rap don't get explicit. Referring to the centrosome, now you're omniscient. Here's the cytoskeleton, quite a cool specimen with 3 groups of protein ramping up adrenaline. Tubules and filaments, prokaryotes are infinite. Motors and linkers, eukaryotes are different. No deformation, tissue stabilization, signaling division and transportation. Flagellum be whipping, cells be tripping, causing locomotion, making a commotion. In the eukaryote, cilia are found a lot, sticking out of cell bodies, that is their spot. Organelles that sense, like your own defense. Sorry chemicals and temps, no offense. The motile moves, shakes and grooves. Cells are always jamming is what this proves. Rap master $0 we out. That's what the cytoskeleton's all about.
Wow, that's all amazing. I just still don't understand how does the cell get all the energy to do all this?
Well, the mitochondria is a double membrane-bound organelle found in most eukaryotic cells. Called powerhouse of the cell because they generate cell supply of adenosine triphosphate, used in cells for energy transfer. Cells energy currency if you prefer. Many things make mitochondria unique, with double membrane innards folded so on fleek. Increasing available surface area, mitochondria be making energy for you. Next come the chloroplasts found in plant cells. The main roles to use the pigment chlorophyll to capture sunlight's energy and store it in some sugars. Chlorophyll is really quite important for this. gain energy from light through photosynthesis, a process that you shouldn't be too quick to dismiss. Without the chloroplast, we'd have no oxygen. The molecule itself allowed aerobic life begin. The vacuole is a membrane-bound structure found in plant and fungal cells. Hope they don't rupture. Enclosed and filled with a whole lot of water. The functions can change depending where they oughta be in the cell and what they're used for. Vesicles are one type that don't need a pore because they leave the cell via exocytosis, delivering chemicals in minute doses. Plant cells have one large central vacuole, storing water, waste, and minerals. That's its goal, along with providing the cell with turgor pressure. Cells will get all floppy if they need to get wetter. Cytoplasm's made of cytosol, a liquid gel-like substance inside your cells. All organelles be floating in this dense jelly liquid, and the functions of these organelles believe we have listed in this whole rap, and that's how we learn. Now I think it's time that you take a turn.
That was just fantastic, everybody. I really